Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about how a financial data server works step by step. A financial data server is a powerful system that collects, processes, stores, and delivers financial information in real time. It is used by trading terminals, mobile apps, dashboards, banks, brokers, financial institutions, and algorithmic trading systems. First, the server receives raw market feeds from different sources such as stock exchanges, banks, brokers, financial news providers, and other data companies. These feeds may include stock prices, currency rates, bond data, commodity prices, market news, and economic information. After that, the server collects and validates the incoming data. It checks whether the prices, symbols, timestamps, formats, and market values are accurate. This step is important because financial users depend on clean and reliable information. Next, the server processes and normalizes the data. In simple words, it converts different types of raw data into one consistent format so that applications can easily read and use it. Then, the cleaned data is stored securely in fast databases or data warehouses. These systems are designed to handle large volumes of financial information while keeping the data fast, secure, scalable, and reliable. Afterwards, the server runs analytics on the stored and live data. It can calculate indicators, summaries, comparisons, alerts, charts, historical trends, and performance reports. This helps users understand market movement and make better financial decisions. In addition, the server distributes the data through APIs. These APIs allow websites, mobile apps, trading terminals, dashboards, and business systems to receive live or historical financial data quickly. Then, users and applications send access requests or queries to the server. For example, a trader may request the latest stock price, a dashboard may request market summaries, or an app may request historical chart data. Finally, the server continuously monitors security and performance. It checks uptime, speed, backups, permissions, system health, and cybersecurity. This helps protect sensitive financial data and keeps the service running smoothly. Overall, a financial data server works like the central engine behind modern financial platforms. It receives live data, validates it, stores it, analyzes it, protects it, and delivers it to users in real time. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.